The Habitat ReStores are really home improvement centers. So we specialize in new and gently used furniture, building materials, windows, doors, appliances, anything you could need for your home. I am looking forward to talking about our ReStores, especially our new store in Waterford. I'm also looking forward to talking about home ownership and the criteria that we use for families to become Habitat partners.
Welcome back. This is Hire It Done. My name's Adam Helfman. The lovely Erica Harper's in studio.
Good morning.
And joining us live, first time in 2019, is Ann Duke from Habitat for Humanity of Oakland County. Good morning, Ann.
Good morning, Adam.
How are
Good morning,
you?
Erica.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm good. It's so nice to be here.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, some sunshine this morning. It's a gorgeous day in the D.
Right?
Yeah.
How much excitement is going on in our town?
Oh my gosh, it's off the hooks.
Right? It's
Off the
unbelievable.
rails.
So tell everyone a little bit about Habitat for Humanity, Oakland County.
Absolutely. I think a lot of people are familiar with the brand Habitat for Humanity. You know, we're an international, national, statewide, and local organization. I work with the Oakland County affiliate, and our goal is to provide safe places for people to live. We believe that everyone deserves a safe place to live. And we know that a safe home environment results in better health for children, better results in school, and just an overall better outlook for the future.
That is true. There was a study that just came out recently with if you have a sound home, your education levels are better, communication levels, chance of
Absolutely.
success.
When you're cold and there's water dripping, it's hard to focus on the important things.
Yeah, that's definitely the truth. So, how long has Habitat been around?
Oh, geez, if years and years since the, you know.
It's been around a long time. In the Habitat Oakland, so you just focus on the Oakland County branch.
Exactly.
But you collaborate with all the rest.
Absolutely. Almost every county has an affiliate, so we work very closely with our friends in Macomb and Ann Arbor and the surrounding
and you guys
areas.
Can group together.
Absolutely.
Which makes sense.
Absolutely.
Well, that's cool. I mean, that's always the best way to do it. So let's dispel a couple of myths about Habitat. That way, everyone who's listening says, oh, I've heard of them, but, you know, I've asked around since you and I have engaged that, you know, the mission or what is really Habitat. A lot of people have not everyone, but some people just don't know. So let's just get straight out what it is, you know, hand up.
Sure, absolutely. I mean, the biggest misnomer about Habitat, and when I talk to people, they say, oh, yeah, you're those nice people that give homes to poor people.
Right.
That's not what we do. As we say, and you alluded, it's a hand up, not a handout. So we, you know, the partner families and individuals that we work with, they're the real heroes. We just give them the tools to get to where they need to go.
Right.
So it's their perseverance, their hard work, and really their sweat equity that puts them in that home at the end of the day.
The success stories are amazing.
Yes,
And you can see those on the website.
absolutely.
So it's
Is
a
it-
big
yeah.
education piece, not only about maintenance and how to maintain the home, but what it takes financially and how to budget and all of those things go
To get there.
into being a Habitat partner.
Absolutely. You know, a lot of families just find themselves in a place where they're, you know, they don't have enough income or they don't have the right credit to get into an affordable mortgage. And we just help provide those tools along with all of the amazing, you know, financial partners that we work with, all of the contractor partners that we work with, our army of volunteers.
Correct.
You know,
And
we
it's
couldn't
deep.
do any of this without the help of many, many, many people.
And the other thing is, when we met, you know, it's interesting because the economy is booming and all the contractors are busy. You guys are busy too, but you're looking for good contractors to work with. And it's not like you're looking for freebies.
No, absolutely. I mean, we use a lot of subcontractors on our projects. I think another misnomer is that people think that volunteers build all of our homes. Now, the volunteer force is an enormous part of what we do, but working with contractors is another really important part. And I know a lot of those folks listen to your show, so please give Adam a call. We need your help.
Yeah. So if you
We work year round.
and you're busy.
Yeah, we are busy.
And that's what Hire It Done is trying to collaborate with you this year so we can help supplement and help complement you guys so that Habitat can produce more homes,
Absolutely.
which is what we want to do. And that's what we're excited about in 2019 because we have a big year planned together.
We do. This is just the beginning.
right? You're excited. I'm excited.
First Saturday of the year.
Yeah. So, what kind of events are coming up in this year?
Well, we have a host of events throughout the year. One of my favorites is our Rock the Block series. That happens from April through September. May through September. We have 4 dates. In each case, we have 2 days where we have an army of volunteers. We go into a neighborhood, most times in Pontiac or Southfield, and we offer affordable home improvements to folks in those neighborhoods. Oftentimes, it's older folks that can't get those gutters cleaned, or they've got a bad step on their front porch. So we mobilize folks over a 2-day period. Many come to us through our corporate partners, and many are just people that raise their hand and want to help. And we mobilize these folks into teams and projects, and it's really a phenomenal thing to see, and so greatly appreciated by the homeowners that we're helping.
So it's like small repair type things.
Exactly. Mostly exterior repairs and oftentimes lawn maintenance.
Okay.
You know, sometimes we have what we call a rake and run, and this is a great way for us to incorporate youth in our programs, where we'll go into a neighborhood where maybe there are a lot of seniors. Generally, it's in the time frame when the leaves are falling. This year, that happened after, I don't know, we had leaves and no snow forever. But, we infiltrate a neighborhood, and, in a 1-day time, we can make a big, big impact.
Well, we're going to help this year with that.
Good.
And we're going to make an impact. We're going to make a difference with you.
All right.
Now, one of the things that I discovered about Habitat, and by the way, the website is habitatoakland.org.
Yes.
So if anyone wants to get more information,
We
or
have a new
participate.
website that we're launching in just a couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for that.
Well, that's cool. But one of the things that me, Erica, Hire It Done, we realize what a gem that you have that I didn't realize, because I'm always in the mix in home improvement, is your ReStore.
Oh, for sure.
It is a treasure trove of products.
Absolutely.
So let's tell everyone about the ReStore, because I'm thinking, it's like a thrift shop. It's like the Salvation Army. Not even
Not
close.
at all.
Like a 20-year-old dresser.
If you're a contractor, get your butt over there.
Here's what I tell people. On your way to the big box, stop at the ReStore, because, one of the things people don't understand is the amount of brand new merchandise that is at the store through partners that donate to us. So, you might have a small piece of hardware that you might pay $7 or $8 for at a regular retailer. With us, that same piece in the package, brand new, could be $1, maybe $2. So we're really selling things at a fraction of the price. Things like paint. Let's say you're renovating an apartment building and you need blue paint for the bedroom. Well, do you need 400 choices of blue, or would 12 be enough? Is that blue close enough? And you're going to pay a fraction of the price for those products.
So here's what's super important. If you're a builder, you're a supplier listening to this, and you have excess inventory, and you want to make a donation that's tax deductible, you can donate that product to Habitat's ReStore.
Give us a call. We'll come and pick it up.
And then Hire It Done and all the contractors and all the smart homeowners who are now renovating will go back to the ReStore and say, oh my God, that granite, that quartz piece, that remnant,
that bathtub,
Delta faucets, the Sherwin-Williams or
Brand new-
PPG.
Brand new vanities.
Brand new,
light
friends.
fixtures.
right? Light bulbs
electrical components.
In the box.
in the box.
Is it okay? No, so a guy like me, can I prance right in there and buy stuff? No problem?
Absolutely.
So it doesn't matter
Right.
who
That's
it is.
another misnomer, that you need to be low income to shop at the ReStore. The ReStore is open to any and all at all times.
But I will also say this. They do have used furniture. And as a matter of fact, they have some very nice used furniture. And it's something you think of, I'm going to go and grab a table to refinish. But not in every case. There are some
Right.
very beautiful pieces.
Right.
in there.
A nice dining set for, hundreds of dollars versus thousands.
Right.
And oftentimes very gently used, we take, very good care with the items that we get.
Where is the ReStore located?
All right, so we have 2 ReStores.
Okay.
Our Farmington Hills ReStore is located at Grand River and 8 Mile. And that store is great because it's in a former lumber yard. So if you're looking for windows, doors,
huge.
exterior elements, it's gigantic. Our new ReStore is in Waterford on Highland Road, about 1.5 miles west of Telegraph. And that is a bright, shiny penny. It is so beautiful. It's so easy to shop, so easy to navigate. You're not weeding through piles of things to find a hidden gem.
Right.
Everything is right there, clearly marked.
I
at your
visited a few
fingertip.
weeks ago. It's very organized, and they have a great deal of really pretty flooring and tile in that
Yes,
store.
yes, and
Yeah.
carpet squares, yeah, just awesome things. One day there was a table saw in the middle of I said, who left this table saw out here? I didn't realize it was actually for sale.
Right.
So, things you would never imagine. A while back.
You open on Saturdays?
We are open on Saturdays, absolutely.
Oh my God, that's so great.
Yeah.
Idea. Facebook Live at the ReStore
Let's
on a
do it.
regular basis.
Oh, we love
Promoting
it.
it,
That
right?
would be
What
great.
a great idea.
That would be
I
great.
love that. And look what happens when time flies.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
It's over already?
Ann Duke, Director of Philanthropy, HabitatOakland.org.
Exactly. So good to be here. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Anne.
Another 2 hours gone just like that. Boom. Time to end the show, folks, but don't end the conversation. We want to hear from you. Send us a tweet. Our Twitter handle is @MyHireItDone, or subscribe to my newsletter. It's pretty good. It's worth reading. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, SoundCloud. Hire It Done is everywhere. Next week on the show, though, we'll be talking about kicking the clutter to the curb and getting done with all your chores. It'll be the bonanza and the best home improvement advice anywhere. I'm Adam Helfman, and you're listening to the Hire It Done Radio Network.